Hi everyone, I'm back again. So let's continue with the second Sudoku in today's additional the newspaper of Tuesday, June the 25th, 2020. It's a 3-star Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. And before I start, I'm curious how many digits are printed in the 2 stars of today's newspaper. I think 26, because the previous one is 27. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 4 is 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, plus 3 is 26. Yes, 26 numbers. Alright, so let's get started with this 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, in this column we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6. So no, in this big square, no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Then how about 3, 2. How about in this big square? No, let me see. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last column. 8 in that column, so on the column between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third row. 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third column. 8 in the first column. So in the second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number? Here, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number? The middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. They are 4, no 4 in their box. One box left for the 4. Should be here. 2, 5, 8, 6, 4. 3, 7, 7. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. I see here 1. No 1 in these 3 boxes. There are 1. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. In the last column we have in one of those 2 boxes a 1. In that column we have a 1 over there. So in the column between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 3 missing numbers now. Those numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 5. We see here the 3 and the 5. So in this box, no 3 and a 5 in this box. That means 1 digit left for the 4. 3 and a 5 are left here. 3 and a 5. How about okay. 3 and a 5. That means we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, a 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. These 3 numbers now are the numbers 1, 5, and 7. I see here 7. So no 7 here. 157. 157. That means the other 3 boxes should be 2, 9, and 4. 294. 294. I see here 2. So no 2 there. Here 2. No 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 9 and 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. These 2 numbers, because I know these are the 3 and the 5, those numbers are the 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, 7 and the 9. Need to wait. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in that column? So in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. What I see here, 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so on the row between. The only 3 places for a 2 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number? 5 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Four missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. 7, 9, 3, and 6 is missing. 6, the 9, 3. Yes, 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers in the last row is a 3. We see a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 6 and the 9 are left. In the last row, we have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. These two numbers are the 7 and the 4. I remember here, these two numbers are the 7 and the 9. Because we have a 7 in this column, this cannot be a 7. This should be the 7, and this should be the 9. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 7. 7 and a 4. We have a 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so the row between. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 7, 9, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And remember, these two numbers are the number 7 and the 4. We have a 7 now, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in the third row, column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 3 and the 5. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 1 number left in this column for the number 4, I believe. Yes, 4. Then numbers left. The numbers 1 and 7 are missing. 1 and 7 in the first column. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then how about the numbers in the third column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 7 are missing in the third column. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. Now we have a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, again in 16 minutes. I'm very pleased, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, we will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku. It will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye.